Hello. Welcome back to Kuki Decor, the home of creativity, sustainability, and timeless woodcraft inspiration. If you've ever looked around your home and thought, this old furniture doesn't fit my modern decor anymore, stop right there. Before you even think about throwing it out or replacing it, what if I told you that your outdated wooden furniture could become one of the most stunning pieces in your home? In today's video, from outdated to outstanding, reinvent old wood furniture into modern home decor ideas, we are going to show you how simple techniques, a little imagination, and a touch of craftsmanship can breathe new life into your old wood furniture, turning it into something fresh, stylish, and profitable. Here at Kuki Decor, we believe in the beauty of transformation. Every piece of wood, no matter how old, carries a story of time, of use, and of love. The scratches and marks that many people see as flaws are often the signs of character waiting to shine again. Reinventing old wooden furniture isn't just about saving money, it's about honoring those stories and turning them into works of modern art that fill your home with warmth and personality. Let's start by setting the scene. Imagine a worn-out wooden table, dull from years of use. With a little sanding, a new finish, and a creative touch, that same table could easily become a minimalist centerpiece for your dining area, or a rustic desk that adds charm to your home office. The transformation doesn't just upgrade your space, it gives the furniture a new life and a new purpose. You don't have to be a professional carpenter to do this. Whether you're a weekend DIY or someone who's just starting to explore reclaimed wood projects, reinventing old furniture can be fun, therapeutic, and surprisingly easy. From a simple repaint to a full restoration, there's a project for every skill level and every home style, from rustic farmhouse to sleek modern minimalism. Now, let's dive into some of the most creative modern home decor ideas you can try. Start by focusing on the finish, because it can completely redefine the mood of your furniture. For example, light wood stains paired with matte black handles bring a chic, Scandinavian vibe. Deep, rich walnut tones evoke luxury and sophistication, while whitewashed finishes create an airy, beach-inspired aesthetic. Small details like new hardware, tapered legs, or geometric accents can instantly give your piece that modern designer look. Another popular idea is to combine old wood with new materials. For instance, pairing reclaimed wood with metal frames creates a stylish industrial contrast that fits perfectly in modern lofts. Or you can mix it with glass for a lighter, elegant touch that works beautifully in minimalist interiors. This blend of textures, old wood, sleek metal, smooth glass, creates the perfect balance of rustic charm and modern flair. But reinventing old wood furniture isn't just about looks. It's also about sustainability. Every time you choose to restore instead of replace, you're reducing waste and supporting an eco-friendly lifestyle. Reclaimed wood is not only durable and beautiful, but also kind to our planet. It's a conscious choice, and that's what makes upcycled furniture so meaningful. If you're enjoying these transformation ideas so far, don't forget to subscribe to Kuki Decor and tap that notification bell so you never miss our daily uploads. We share new videos every day full of wood decor inspiration, sustainable design tips, and creative DIY furniture makeovers that you can try at home. Join our growing community of wood lovers and creative makers today. Now, let's talk about versatility. One of the most amazing things about reinventing old furniture is how adaptable it is. That tired old dresser that no longer fits your bedroom, turn it into a stylish entryway console. An outdated coffee table, reinvent it as a storage bench with hidden compartments. You can even take the drawers from an old cabinet and repurpose them into wall-mounted shelves or planters. The possibilities are endless when creativity meets craftsmanship. If you want to add a touch of modern artistry, try geometric designs or color blocking techniques. Use painter's tape to create sharp lines and patterns on drawers or tabletops. A mix of muted tones and bold colors can completely transform the mood of a piece, making it look custom-made for a designer home. And remember, even imperfections have beauty. Each piece you transform becomes unique. No two makeovers will ever be the same. Those little dents or knots tell the story of the wood's past life, giving your home a personal and soulful touch that mass-produced furniture just can't replicate. Working with old wood can also be deeply satisfying. There's something therapeutic about sanding down rough edges, applying a fresh coat of paint, and watching a dull, forgotten object transform into something vibrant again. It's not just furniture restoration, it's creativity, mindfulness, and sustainability rolled into one. If you've ever transformed a piece of old furniture, or plan to try one after watching this video, we'd love to hear about it. Drop a comment below, and share your project, or tell us what piece in your home you want to reinvent next. And don't forget to hit that like button if you find inspiration here today. It really helps more people discover our creative community at Kuki Decor. Now, let's move on to something exciting: profitability. Did you know that reinventing old furniture can also become a great side business? Handmade, upcycled wood decor is in high demand. People love pieces that have character, sustainability, and craftsmanship behind them. A beautifully refinished table, a vintage-style nightstand, or a modern reclaimed wood wall shelf can all sell for a great price on platforms like Etsy, Facebook Marketplace, or even local art fairs. All it takes is care, creativity, and presentation. Photograph your finished project's beautifully natural light, clean background, and a few decor accents can make a huge difference. Highlight the story behind each piece. Tell buyers that it was once a forgotten table, or an old chair brought back to life. That story adds emotional value, and customers are willing to pay for it. If you're restoring for your own home, that's even better. Each reinvented piece becomes a conversation starter, something that reflects your style and your commitment to sustainability. You'll soon find yourself surrounded by decor that feels both personal and purposeful. These small DIY projects can make a huge visual impact and help you appreciate the true value of what you already own. Reinventing old wood furniture is more than just a trend, it's a creative lifestyle. It encourages mindfulness, sustainability, and self-expression. Every time you sand, paint, or polish, you're not just changing how something looks, you're rewriting its story. That's what makes the process so fulfilling. When you step back and see your finished piece shining with new life, you'll feel proud knowing you made it happen. That sense of accomplishment is priceless. And that's it for today's episode, from outdated to outstanding. We hope you're feeling inspired to pick up that old furniture piece and give it a brand new identity. Remember, creativity has no limits. With a little effort and imagination, you can turn any outdated wooden item into a modern, stylish home decor masterpiece. If you enjoyed this video, please give it thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Kuki Decor for more daily DIY inspiration. We post videos every single day, filled with reclaimed wood decor ideas, furniture flipping tips, and sustainable home design inspiration that will spark your creativity. Tell us in the comments which transformation idea are you going to try first. We'd love to hear your thoughts and maybe feature your project in our next video. Thank you so much for watching and for being part of the Kuki Decor family. Together, let's keep creating beauty from what others overlook, one reclaimed piece at a time. Until next time, keep crafting, keep creating, and keep turning the ordinary into the outstanding.